Second rank match of the night. Yes! We're doing it on Omega! I'm back with another ranked match. Winner, loser, post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude! Get the 2 pops. Prosperity, Outland. See if he, well, he didn't ash that, so I don't think he's gonna ash Outland. Outland, pay 8. I already have the Scarlet, so I'll add my voice on. Okay. Whip. And then 3 more summons. 1, 2, 3. And 4th one is Trident. Oh, look at that. Is it easier to set now? It is. That's it. Done and go. No. 100 dinosaurs. Got a feeling it's not. Oh, soul absorption. Yeah, I don't want him in the game. I'm gonna Trident, attach Hammer Kong, target and destroy, soul absorption. I think I'll pop this with Conquistador so I can attack. Hey, you got voice chat? I'm gonna Eldritch now. If I don't, then I'm like always asking for voice chat now. Nah. Nice. Ah, even better. Even better. I'm gonna turn the voice chat off. No. I'll summon, not use its effect, tribute for Nib, and then Eldritch send special, and then Ram. What is this? I'll show the opponent's entire hand. What? No, that was a good hand. That's okay. Even better. Even better. Same thing almost. No. No. Eldritch. I'll send the old line. Eldritch sending the cursed land. Target to send his face down monster. Who is that? Necroface. Oh, this is a Grand Magi Trickstar, yeah. With the Trickstar incarnation. No. Go like this. That. Eldritch from the grave, send, add special against 1,000. Can have it destroyed on my opponent's card effects till the end of his turn. Aquero. Don't even know how many summons I have right now. Yeah, it's already game right here. This is already game. I got game. Raida. Don't tell me he's another staller. I would rather take a scooper than a staller. First game of the night, he timed out. Second game. This is the second game of the night. He's timing out first game. Come on. I'd take the win though. Maybe he has Nibiru. Let's still wins. Oh, come on. Yes! Let's still wins from timeout. Or he just scooped. Oh, well, that's quick. That's all I'm doing today is 2 duels. Where were we? We were at 1278, 1288, went up by 10. Did I get anything? Nope, still at 103. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.